just going out for a bit. Hello, good afternoon to you. Welcome to Just Going Out for a Bit. You see me today in Painswick near Stroud in Gloucestershire on a beautiful, beautiful afternoon, late afternoon. So what we're doing today is just scoping out the area in general, going to visit an Iron Age hill fort, and most importantly, trying out the Yugoslavian mess kit, along with perhaps a stealth camp cooker. So, join me on my journey and we'll see what we can come up with. See you later. Although it's not all hard work, you know, you can just park your car down the bottom and walk a little bit up the hill. Make your life a little bit easier. So let's be on. Okay, I've just been reliably told by a golfer here that there's one heck of a view coming up. So we have a look. Take a look at that. There's the River Severn, stretching away towards Bristol. And that over there, my dears, is Wales. Thirsty. Okay, let's get to it. Let's talk about Yugoslavian army mess tin set. This is how it comes. You can get these for about £10 plus, depending on where you get them second hand from eBay or one of these sites that sell military surplus. So let's have a look. Canvas container, pop stud opening. They come with these rather good knife, fork, spoon set. This is how it looks. It's got a aluminium enameled bottom. The tiniest of cups, if you like espresso, of course. One and a half pints of water in this square tin. That's what you would do. You boil it in here, nice and clean on the inside, and ergonomically, so the handle doesn't pass on the heat, which is a godsend to my fingers and no doubt thousands of others. So I think we deserve a drink. and I'll go through the merits on how good this is. Beastie. Cool. Right. Also, while we're here, how about a stealth stove? These things made by Polymath Products here in the UK, so we're not outsourcing to the other side of the world, and carbon footprint getting this stuff here. And this is, oops, almost a credit card sized stove. I'm going to put some Hexamin burners on there because it's like the right thing to do, and we'll see how good it is. But when you get it together, you'll see how crazy it looks. Right, just let me attempt to get really frustrated getting this open. So it's credit card size. Comes these Velcro strappings. Bearing in mind, I've only done this once before. Comfort of my own home. Triangular burn plate. And 3 of these. So how they work, see how it's all coming together already. Right, shall we? That fits in there. That fits in there. That goes, and that locks it in place there. This way it all goes pretty mad. Oops. So slide in. Come on. Be nice for the cameras. There you go. Now you can either cook like that, Hexamin top on block, frying tin, or if it's something smaller, you've got a windshield included, you can put that on there quite easily. Right, let's cut to the chase, and get it burning. Right. Right, 1 Hexamin block later. Fancy some baked beans, eh? That unique smell of fish, you say, because here we have some John West cracker toppers with tuna, mayo and sweet corn, which I'm going to put it into when it gets a little bit warm. And also I can utilise the lid to put the bread of my choice in. It's bubbling away. Let's have a look at the ex-burner. Very good. Okay, what we're going to do now is add this. Give it a bit of a mix up. So my thoughts so far. This is the very first thing I bought years ago after watching it on YouTube. I've cooked in it countless times, just never let me down. So dead easy to clean, very compact, very cheap. Depending on what you want to use these for, whether you want your espresso or a big steaming mug, up to you. Above all, it's nice and easy. The stealth stove is really good. I've had stuff which I've bought off the internet and you fiddle around and it's just rubbish, to use a not a 4-letter word. I might use that some more. Very well, that's the first time I've used it, so the order of the day now. Use a little bit of that water. Just a little bit. Washing up liquid. Back on the stove. I'll put another tablet on there just to give it a real good going to. So above all, good. It gets my recommendation. I think I'm going to have myself a mocha. Right. See you in a minute. Right. See? Good design. Good ergonomics. A bit for Ron later on. Oops. And the world's smallest latte in the world. What a barista I am. Okay, time for me just to pack up. Make sure I leave nothing behind. To be fair, take some of the rubbish which is here as well from this beauty spot, so I'll be doing that. When we go, take a quick picture of the bench. there's a small plaque here in memory of someone who has passed on. So say thank you to Tara Jane Saunders for the use of your bench. Take care all.